Okay. Sorry, my English not a bit good, so yeah. Just open cheat engine. Hello, people. Today we are gonna do something like how the title does. How to cheat on Clover Pit with cheat engine. It's pretty easy. I recommend don't cheat. Okay, it's bad. You should try by yourself. I just find out if you can cheat on cheat engine or not. So yeah. So yeah, this video gonna show you how to do it. So first thing first, open this. I already have saved it, so I'm gonna show you from the back. Okay. When you add this menu, I recommend you to do a new run. Okay, so look, the money have $13 and I don't know what coins. So what we're gonna do is hack the coins and the tickets. First thing we're gonna do is the tickets. So first thing first, open the cheat engine, and first you do is the Clover Pit. Type 13 of the coin. It's a lot, but it's gonna be bit smaller and smaller if you keep scanning. So you're gonna do is just spend the money.
Let's go gamble.
And now, hold on. Never mind. It's 15. Okay. This is gonna be a long tutorial because the game is not letting me to skip. Next scan. Okay, we have very little. Okay, so it's 18. Now I'm gonna spend it again. Oh, how many is wrong again? 2 wrong. Okay, maybe we can just.
Let's go gamble.
It's 11. Oh, my 13 now. Oh, I may gonna edit this. Okay. It's 30 now. 30. So yeah. Oh my god. Stop. Okay. It's 30 now. Oh, it's 34. It could be this one. We gotta see it. Okay, if there is 2 address, just pick them 2 here and edit one of them. Maybe $8,000. There you go. Look at that. It's working, right? And the tickets. We're gonna do a new scan. Okay, after this. Oh yeah, no. If that, we can do that. Okay, first scan is 5. A lot. Okay, don't worry. Just put your money in. Oh no. And it's 9, okay? It's 9. Gonna go to 9, and next scan is 534. It's a bit long, okay? We're gonna do it again. Here's the deal. Yes, sir. Okay, shut up. Come on. There we go. Okay. I have 21 now. 21. The next scan. There's 4. We gotta look at them. If they're changed, that's not. Okay. Now we're gonna buy a charm. Maybe. Hold on, phone. Gotta verify that. It changed to 14. There's 4. Okay, pick that one's changed like that, and edit one of them. There have 3 because I don't know, maybe something. Okay, let's change it to maybe 32. Okay, cannot. What about this one? 32. Oh hell. Ooh, okay, that's also not. What about this one? 32. There you go. You found it. After you do that, maybe you should get rid of these 2 because they are not important anymore. They're just visual. This one is the real one. These 2, I recommend don't. Okay, these 2 are working. So if you actually delete it, well, we have to find it again. Okay, so that's how you cheat this game. Well, I think in a few years, maybe the operator the protection to this cheat. Cheat engine is really not tough, but yeah, I guess that's it. That's how you hack the game. See you next time, guys. Thank you for watching, and leave a like and subscribe and ring that bell. Maybe I should. There's a lot of games that I want to crack, but maybe this one is the first one because this one is so good. I love this game. So bye bye. Leave a like, okay? Bye. Love you.